Ime County Nyamira buna enchira yo kwenekia chisemi ime constituency ya West Mugirango yanyale kwa bage gusirwa litkolia rero nigo omubunge bwe constituency eyo Steve Mugaka anyara kwa baga gwikirana ase chiskuru cyoboroso agati yabo eskuru ya Tente nabwe Nyamira elyo kweneke ngonyale kwa baga kuigira bene ebirasi byanyara kwa babikorosi wa asa matukanyara kwa baga gweta korengana na Steve Mugaka nigate bire buna obisi ya yene chikobaga kwenekia uranyale kwa bage gusira obwagachi bwe birasi byenyale kwa bigo sarika sama tukamaiga gati yabali boigo banyara kwa bagwikirana abuna babwatani bechisemi abanyara kwa bakogokera egetambo kerekenyara kwa bwe koirwa amono muchumbe we constituency eyo nonyana bonigo musakito we county ya Nyamira job mange nyara kwa baga gotwaliganira roboti iroko bwatia
Una enchira moyogosira chisemi nigo mubunge West Mugirango Steven Mugaka habaga kuigora amagache birasi byabete bikwagachwa obuya imechi sukuru isato egati yabo esukuru yoboroso ya Nyamira Ting'a na Kebirigo
iri madarasa ni kusema
asateba echinega chechisukuru emerongo ene echo abegete asomoroberyo bokorongeiwa kwa magacho no kwagacho buya.
I started an upgrade program for 40 schools using the CDF funding for 2022-2023. I want my pupils in the constituency to do their exams in a totally different environment that will boost their confidence, self-esteem for them to give their best. And I urge parents to ensure that while we have built the school infrastructure like this, no child should miss to go to school.
Egatia monchorerio abeteka okolerwa ebirasi ebyo no kwagacho kwebirama ogwako kwechirangi naboigo okobeko gwechitayeli me birasi ebyo.
Where we are refurbishing the school, providing new roofs, tiling the floors, and also repainting.
Ase aborokigwa abanene bate babuna okwagacho kwebirasi ebyo ngo chikobororobelia aborokigwa obogima naende mbachigokora buya.
Kira mabati amayi obyakire rangi naende obekire kitairi ase floor. Wono nkagete kegango chikere kwaleta mabadiliko amayasa masomo abana buna bago chikosa ibirasi biri ebago chikwego kimono nkagete nganonye nesemie soe unakonyeta ligosoa
vumbi ama kiangazi watoto hawakuji shule kwa sababu kuna wanakohoa na wakati huu ikiwekwa sakafu yenye hiyo tiles hiyo mambo ya makohozi na yale magonjwa mengine natumaini yamekwisha.
Aborokiwa banene aborokia na aborokiwa mbagokera egechambokero ekyo nagotebange chiko bakonya mono
sano mwezimiwa omonene kerengera liekanchoke igutata bwa mabera tokaneti abana baito baete kurwe sukuru eye.
Wakati huu natoa shukrani kwa niaba ya wanafunzi wote na wanakamati na wazazi wa Ting'a. Nimeona maajabu tangu niingia hapo.
Bweni ngambu ya mona sega singi ya kolire etoko musabera amaya agenderere gokora amaya na skisukuru chinde egere Nyamira yaito erabe na masomo agenderere kogenda iguru.
Ensemo yende nagikelia egekoroge kiama kia ODM kuirera ababunge egechambokerio abo babiri bakwa eserekali okoboko.
That there are political parties and political associations which are still extremely intolerant to divergent views and want to kick out, expel people whose views do not agree with theirs. That is a very barbaric way of
nagosaba aba Africa ne chinse chisiko kubwaterana elinde kolenda ebintu bitonchokana ine.
When I get back to Nairobi, I want us to tighten the parliamentary agenda so that the parliament in the entire world, we are going to be very sensitive and only put money where we are going to support mitigation measures that are going to ensure that the adverse effects of climatic change that we are suffering do not live with us.
okuigoro kwibirasi ebi nenjira eyemo yokoenekia ng'a ekerengo gia chisemi kiabere gigokina ime bunge ya West Mugirango. Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwase kaunti Nyamira, Job Maangi.